In this video, I'll show you how to change your trip details in Hopper. So let's say it's a flight that needs to be changed. Make sure that if your flight departs in less than 24 hours, you contact the airline directly. Forget about Hopper. Now, if that is not the case, what you want to do is go to the Hopper app and you want to click on trips on the bottom right. In here, as you can see, I have nothing, but you will be able to see all your available trips or flights. And what you want to do is select a specific flight and you'll have a change my flight option. If you click on this, you will be prompted to contact the airline or continue to just change the flight on Hopper. And depending on availability, when you're done here, you will see the option to either request changes or search for an entirely new flight. So remember, what you're doing is just making a request. So once you hit request changes, a Hopper agent will contact you directly. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.